Well, hi there, everybody, and good Monday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski, coming off of what was a very nice weekend, especially Saturday, but even Sunday was not bad at all. Today looks like another pretty decent day out there. There are some question marks, though, and then things kind of go downhill a little bit tonight and into tomorrow. Now, one thing I'll mention here is there is some fog this morning, very close to the Tri-Cities, basically just north and east of the Tri-Cities. There are some low stratus clouds, and right on the leading edge of that, places like O'Neill to Central City to Aurora down towards Beatrice, seeing some fog this morning out there. Hasn't hit the Tri-Cities as of the time I'm recording this, but we may see it sneak in here from the northeast. Otherwise, just look for some low clouds this morning. Some of that fog may hold tough for those locations. That could put a wrench in this into the forecast, but otherwise we're going to see some clearing take place later on today, so a little more sunshine later on compared to right away this morning here. As we head into tonight, then, thickening clouds with the approach of an area of low pressure that'll make its way through the central plains. There are a lot of questions with this part of the forecast too, basically how much moisture is going to be involved with this system here. Right now, I tell you that all forecast models are favoring heavier snow totals the farther north that you go. That's the trend that's been seen over the last couple of days. The one thing that's been the big struggle is it going to be just a little bit of snow, or is it going to be a whole lot of snow? And then also, what other kinds of precipitation are going to be? Tomorrow morning, we drop near or maybe a little bit below freezing, so we could be talking about a little bit of light snow, a little bit of light rain or freezing rain, or even just drizzle or freezing drizzle, maybe even a little bit of sleet. So all modes of precipitation are really possible. I don't think there's going to be a lot, though. Tomorrow morning, the chances pick up during the day. But watching northern Nebraska, again, for the best chance of precipitation, chances lower the farther south that you go, but there are chances there. And again, we could see that mix of precipitation because temperatures could potentially be warmer, especially in the south. Chances continue Tuesday night. We'll see that mostly change over to snow Tuesday night, but again, favoring northern Nebraska, lower chances the farther south you go. And as you get towards Wednesday, a lot of this starts to clear out. The winds will crank up Tuesday night into Wednesday on the backside of the system, and so any areas that do see snow could see blowing snow and reduce visibility out there. Well, as we look at your, we want to go through your advisories first off, because we do have a winter storm watch in effect for northern portions of Nebraska. These will start later tonight. Midnight tonight for north central Nebraska, starts 6 a.m. tomorrow morning in northeast Nebraska, will continue until Wednesday morning, either 7 o'clock or 9 o'clock on Wednesday morning. Again, as I mentioned, these are the areas that are most favorable for the highest snow totals, although it's not a guarantee to see high snow totals. Right now, the National Weather Service saying 4 to 6 inches of snow, possibly more in these locations. It is possible we could see more than a half foot of snow. At the same time, some forecast models are also showing lower totals of snow. So again, it is a wide range right now. So just kind of give you an idea that this forecast is still kind of variable. But again, could see some higher totals farther south as well, but also could see some very low totals farther to the south. This is one forecast model, I'll tell you that right now. This is our in-house forecast model, again favoring northern Nebraska, but only with 1 or 2 inches of snow. That said, there is certainly a chance we could see higher totals. So again, it's just kind of the biggest struggle with this storm system right now is trying to figure out how much snow we're going to see. It's likely we're going to see under an inch of snow in the Tri-Cities, but it's also a chance that there is also the chance we see a quick band of snow that sets up and maybe gives us a little bit more snow than expected. It looks like northern Kansas chances are much lower the way it looks right now. What looks like more of a slam dunk to the forecast, at least almost, is the warmer temperatures again today. Mid to upper 40s to near 50. The one thing, as I said, there could be one wrench thrown into this forecast day, and it's those areas that see fog. We're seeing some fog this morning. Is it going to hold tough throughout the day? That's the one thing that could hold those temperatures down, especially from north central Nebraska towards southeast portions of Nebraska. Warmer conditions expected out west. Low to mid 50s for highs. Upper 40s to lower 50s in the south, and to the east we're looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. I think those low clouds will last a little longer, holding those temperatures back a little bit. Your 7-day forecast, we're going to drop those temperatures off these next couple of days ago. Again, with temperatures still above freezing tomorrow, a mix of precipitation is possible, changing over to all snow Tuesday night and then wrapping up very early on Wednesday morning. After that, it looks like mainly dry conditions for the end of the week and through the weekend, although that's not a guarantee by any means either. As we get towards that Saturday, Sunday time frame, there are some forecast models hinting at some quick clipper systems that would bring us some very light precipitation. And the other big thing is, will we warm up quick or not? Well, forecast models really struggling with trying to bring in the warmer air anytime soon. Well, we will warm up a little bit towards the weekend. It's only going to be slightly above average. It doesn't look like a major warm up on the way anytime over the next week ahead after today. So again, a lot of question marks with this forecast, so I apologize for the length of this forecast video, but again, there's just a lot to talk about because there's going to be a lot going on that still remains to be answered at this point here. So that's what I know as of right now. Until next time, hopefully, I'll have a lot more answers by tomorrow morning. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Hope you enjoy your Monday.